Hello everybody, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. Today we'll learn how you can easily make your existing money plants bushier and healthier. So over here I have a golden pothos and regular pothos or money plant. You can see that the golden pothos has grown a bit. It has extended its vines a bit, and over here this money plant that I show you, the green one, it has overgrown quite a bit. I haven't tended to it in a while now, apart from just regular watering, and so it has grown quite a bit. And you see there are a lot of gaps in this particular pot, and even this golden pothos also has developed a lot of gaps. So today I'll show you how I keep my plants bushy. So I am using these two plants as a means of experiment to show you what I do to make my money plants bushy. Okay, so thing that you need to make your money plants bushy is regular trimming. Okay, so first I'll trim this portion of golden pothos. I'll use this to root it in water, and I won't trim it anymore. There's this tulsi plant in it. I'll let it grow inside this pot. I'll not remove it now, so that later when I post an update you can see how much the plant grows. This tulsi plant will stand as the testament to the plant's growth. Now coming back to my regular money plant, that is the variegated green pothos. So I'll first trim off the extended vines. To keep your money plant bushy, this is the first thing that you need to do. You need to trim off the extended vines, and after that, following the natural circular shape of the pot, I will trim the extra leaves that are sticking out of the circumference of the pot like this. Okay, don't be afraid to trim down your money plant. Money plants are very resilient and they respond very well to trimming, and this is the only way that has helped me keep my money plants bushy for a long time. I have snipped off quite a lot of leaves. You can see quite a lot of stems have been snipped off, and this cutting actually helps in keeping insects and mosquitoes at bay. When you let your money plants grow out a lot, it can harbor a lot of pests like mosquitoes and spiders and ants and other pests. And I keep this money plant in my balcony, so that is not an issue. But if you are keeping it indoors, it might spell disaster. Okay, to keep all these problems in bay, regular trimming of these bushy plants are essential, and they only help to make your plants bushier. Okay, so I have trimmed around the circumference of the pot that the money plant is in, and I only water it twice a week, and I spritz the leaves with water once a day. And here after 3 weeks, the result is in front of you. You can see how much the plant has grown after being trimmed. This time of the year when the temperature is slightly going up is the best time to trim a money plant, because money plant requires hot and humid conditions to thrive. All these leaves you are seeing are new growths. I have trimmed them, I have spritzed them with water, and this is the golden pothos that I had snipped off just a little bit, and you see new growth is emerging right here. These are new leaves. And just let me show you the tulsi plant that was growing alongside it. Just see how big it has grown. So this is a proof that this is an after result of my trimming. And now you see 6 weeks later, this is the same money plant that I had trimmed. Okay, and this is the golden pothos which is growing gradually. And now look at the tulsi plant. It has grown so big. So please trim your money plants regularly and ensure that they are bushy. Thank you so much for watching.